Hashtag Paglaom. From the word itself, Paglaom is pag-asa. And as you can see, the people behind this event who gives warmest smile and warmest welcome to us. And makikita natin na ang Paglaom is nagkakaisa sa bawat lahat na ating ginagawa. And I thank you.
Thank you for that. Lubini number 3, are you ready for your hashtag? Alright. This is your hashtag is mandatory ROTC.
Mandatory ROTC. We all have our point of view or perspective about mandatory ROTC. But for me, I am agree na ipinapatupad ito ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Dahil para sa akin, sa panahon namin ngayon, maraming kabataan ang nawawalan ng disiplina sa mga nakakatanda. ROTC is the way to be disciplined. Tinuturuan tayo nito maging disiplinado. At kahit saan lang tayo magpunta, dala-dala natin ito ang pagiging disiplinado. And I thank you.
Are you ready for your hashtag? Binibigyan number 4. Wow, that smile, very captivating. Okay, this is your hashtag. Your hashtag is Sangguniang Kabataan.
Sangguniang Kabataan. Sila yung umaagapay sa mga kabataan upang matupad ang mga programa. At ito, sila ang mga umaagapay para maging matagumpay ang isang programa. At sila rin ang nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan upang mapabuti ang kanilang programa. At ito ay kanilang nagawin sa kanilang sarili. At higit sa lahat, maraming salamat.
Our Binibini from Northern Pulauan Christian Institute. Wow, you look good and yellow. How are you tonight? Kinakabahan, that's normal. Okay, hinga ng malalim. Okay, exhale. Okay, are you now ready? Okay, that's a good attitude. Now face your hashtag. Okay, your hashtag is hashtag women empowerment.
Hashtag women empowerment. Ang babae ay hashtag women empowerment. I believe na ang babae ay kayang gawin ng lalaki, ngunit hindi kayang gawin ng lalaki ang mga lalaki. I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, to Binibini number 6. Our Binibini from Sangguniang Kabataan. Are you ready for your hashtag? Okay. Paano ka nag-prepare sa pageant na to? Anong preparation yung ginawa mo para sa pageant na to? Okay, but that's not your question. This is your hashtag. Your hashtag is agrikultura.
Good evening. Agrikultura. Dahil sa agrikultura, meron mga hanapbuhay ang ating mga farmer. Dahil sa agrikultura, meron tayong nakakain.
to this week. Your hashtag is respect.
Hashtag respect. Ang respeto ay isa sa mga pangunahing kailangan ng isang tao na kung saan ang bawat isa sa atin ay kailangan ng respeto at pamamahal sa sarili. Kahit anuman ang uri ng iyong pinanggalingan, kailangan natin i-respeto kung ano ang kanilang mga kasarian. Thank you.
Alright, thank you to Binibini number 8 from BCPC. Okay. Wow, what a great warrior for environment. Thank you so much for that, Binibini from BCPC. Thank you for promoting enthusiasm tonight. That's a great attitude. Okay, are you ready for your question, for your hashtag? And of course, one of our judge for tonight is also advocating for education. Okay. How are you, Binibini number 11?
Going great.
Okay. Are you ready for your question? Your hashtag is hashtag kabataan.
Sinasabi nilang ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. Bilang isang kandidata,
Ayan na.
hinihikayat ko kayo na maging impluwensya at maging mabuting bata upang matulungan ang ibang kabataan na maging disiplinado at magkaroon ng respeto sa mga nakakatanda at magbalik loob sa Panginoong Diyos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you so much. Wow, agad. Okay, how are you tonight? Hey, may kamukha siyang beauty queen. Awik siya ni Janice Lubina and ni our Binibining International. Di ba po, kakawik niya? Okay. So, sa muli po, palakpakan natin ang Binibini from Candes. Okay. Are you ready for your hashtag?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay. Very excited. That's confidence. Okay, this is your hashtag. Your hashtag is tourism.
Hashtag tourism. Para sa akin, ito ay nagbibigay daan upang ipagmalaki at ipakilala ang ganda ng Barangay Baclaran! Thank you!
Okay, thank you for promoting tourism here at Barangay Baclaran. Okay. What a crowd! Ang daming pumapapalakpak kay Candes. Okay. And that concludes our Bituin ng Paglaot 2024 question and answer portion. Good luck and congrats to you ladies. At this point in time, we are now ready to announce the third set of awards. First, we have as our best is... Alright! Binibining nagkakaisa! And season 4 Bituin ng Paglaot 2020. Let's see you again! Nagkakaisa! Congratulations on Binibini from Nagkakaisa.
Is Honorable Alberto Ganza.
Bituin ng Paglaot 2024 is... Let's see you again! Binibini from Nagkakaisa! 2024 is our same certificate of Binibini from BCPC. Binibini number 8.
For winning Knockout 2024.
First, with the win from Nagkakaisa. With the win from Bungamot. Congratulations, Binibini from Bungamot. Sangguniang Kabataan, number 6. Award, Binibini from BCPC. Now, because it's you, Binibini. Binibini from Candas. Congratulations, and that is our top 5 finalists for Bituin ang Paglaong 2024.